How to clear chat in WhatsApp on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to clear chat in WhatsApp on iPhone. First of all, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Go to the chat list and select the chat you want to delete messages from. Now, tap on the contact's name at the top of the chat. Then scroll down until you see the option that says Clear Chat. Give it a tap. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear the chat. Tap on Clear All Messages to confirm. And just like that, all the messages in that chat will be gone forever. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.